Some sounds remain within a building, some memories travel with people to new places. 17 years on, light has grown from a single beam into a field of brilliance, and the road has expanded from one path into many. Now, we organize our workspaces and pack up the memories we treasure. With the same unwavering belief, we move into a boldly innovative campus, Dream Park. This is not a farewell. It is a dream finding a wider stage, a truly disruptive park, carrying countless bold, transformative dreams. ZEN Global Innovation Center, the intelligent core of the campus, sparks creativity with an open, boundaryless space where a human-centered ecosystem defines the future of intelligent manufacturing. Sail building is the sail for those who set out and the lighthouse that guides them home. Standing tall, it chronicles daily dedication and steers toward a shining galaxy. Wand R&D and Prototyping Center is where new light is first born. Measured by data, every beam is proven before it reaches the world. DreamSpace Super Factory sets a new manufacturing benchmark. With precision, efficiency, and stability, it redefines laser production. Forest Restaurant makes dining a deep breath of nature. Cuisine and greenery come together to restore calm and balance for both body and mind. Here in Dream Park, the lights in the R&D labs stay on a little longer, new products come to life a little faster, and the dream of becoming the world's leading laser brand moves one step closer. The campus will grow, technology will evolve, and the story will continue. But some things will never change. The focus at the moment, the very first beam ignited, the rigor behind more than 300 inspection processes before delivery, and the light in our eyes when we speak the name Bodor Laser. Bodor Laser has always believed that every great future begins in a once overlooked corner with a group of people who believe in light. Dream Park is not the destination. It is our new point of illumination. Bodor Laser. A new chapter of light begins.
Bodor, dare to dream.